Good morning and welcome to MarketTamer.com. We're looking at a chart of the US dollar, and the reason we're focusing on it this morning is that the futures have been pointing down ahead of the open. One of the reasons cited is that a lot of the international markets have been down. While that may certainly be a drag on the US markets, it's always worth looking behind the veil here, and what we find is this big bounce in the dollar is certainly potential cause for the markets correcting. Why is that? Well, we've mentioned many times in the past, as the dollar rises, the market tends to fall. As the dollar falls, the market tends to rise, and that's exactly what we've seen. It's not the only thing that we see. We tend to see that happen in commodities as well, in the sense that as we've seen the US dollar weaken over recent months, we've seen that accompanied by a very strong rise in oil here. So if we just return back to the dollar chart for a moment, given that the dollar has just risen fairly substantially, what we might expect here is that the markets will correct if the dollar stays firmly higher, and we'll also see a correction in commodities, and that might very well lead to opportunities for day traders. So keep an eye out for those. We'll also be scanning for some opportunities here, and if we see any on the radar, we will post them, of course, on Watch the Pros. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you soon.